Everything in the universe vibrates. From the smallest particles to entire galaxies, each structure exists because of a specific frequency that organizes it. This vibration is not noise or background activity. It is the underlying force holding reality together. When physicists look deep enough into matter, they do not find solid objects. They find energy arranged in repeating patterns. These patterns behave like waves, carrying information and structure at the same time. Frequency is the blueprint of existence. Your body is part of that blueprint. Your atoms vibrate with the same fundamental energy that builds stars. Your brain emits electromagnetic waves that interact with the field around you. You are made of the same frequencies that shape the universe. This universal field is not abstract. It is the reason you can sense emotions in others without words. It is the reason intuition feels real and immediate. You are naturally wired to read the invisible vibrations around you. The frequency that holds everything together is not a single tone, but a harmony. It is layers of energy interacting, resonating, and stabilizing each other. Your awareness is one of those layers, contributing to the larger symphony. You participate in the universe, whether you realize it or not. Moments of stillness make this connection clear. When your thoughts slow and your breath becomes calm, the noise fades. You begin to feel a subtle presence that is not separate from you. That presence is the field you come from. The truth is simple. You are not observing the universe from the outside. You are inside the frequency that holds everything together. You are woven into the same energy that makes reality possible. The universe is held together by a set of invisible forces that behave like a single, interconnected field. Physicists describe it as a fabric woven from energy and information, stretching across every corner of space. This field determines how particles move, how matter forms, and how reality stays coherent. Everything exists inside this energetic architecture. The field is constantly vibrating. These vibrations create standing waves, the stable patterns that give things their shape. From electrons to planets, stability appears when energy falls into rhythm. Order emerges from vibration, not from structure alone. Modern physics has found that space is not empty. It is filled with a dynamic ocean of energy known as the zero-point field. Every atom in your body interacts with this field in every moment. You never stop exchanging information with it. This energetic exchange is subtle but constant. It keeps your biological systems functioning and your consciousness aware. Your brainwave frequencies ripple into the field and return with signals you experience as intuition or insight. Awareness is part of the field's communication system. The field does not only hold objects in place, it organizes relationships between them. Particles respond to distant particles instantly, even when separated by large distances. This responsiveness suggests that everything is connected at a level deeper than space. Connection is built into the foundation of reality. Your presence affects this field too. Your emotional state shifts the frequency of your body and influences the space around you. You change the field just by existing with intention. Every heartbeat sends information into the environment. When you understand the structure of the field, you see that your life is not happening inside a random universe. You are participating in a continuous energetic exchange that shapes your experience moment by moment. You are woven into the same field that holds galaxies together. You are part of the architecture of reality itself. Everything in the universe communicates through resonance. When two frequencies match or harmonize, they exchange energy and information effortlessly. This is why musical instruments vibrate together, and why certain sounds affect your emotions instantly. Resonance is the language of the universe. Your body responds to this language every second. Your brain produces waves that shift depending on your state of awareness. Your heart generates electromagnetic rhythms that influence your entire system. Both are constantly tuning themselves to the environment around you. You have experienced this without realizing it. You feel calm around certain people and anxious around others before a word is spoken. Your nervous system picks up their frequency and synchronizes with it. Your body is always resonating with the field it enters. Nature shows this principle more clearly. Fireflies synchronize their pulses, birds align their movement, and ocean waves fall into rhythmic patterns. All of this happens because life naturally seeks resonance. Harmony is the most efficient state of existence. Your thoughts also create resonance patterns. Focused intention produces strong, stable waves. Chaotic thinking scatters your frequency and weakens your connection to the field. Your inner signal shapes how the universe responds to you. When your emotions align with your thoughts, resonance becomes stronger. This alignment creates coherence, a state where your whole system vibrates as one. In coherence, intuition becomes sharper and clarity appears without effort. The universe feels like it is speaking directly to you. Resonance is not something you create, it is something you allow. The more still your mind becomes, the easier it is to match the frequency that holds everything together. You become part of a larger rhythm that has always been present. You begin to feel the field instead of thinking about it. Coherence is what happens when your thoughts, emotions, and physical rhythms align into a single stable frequency. In this state, your entire system operates with clarity and efficiency. Your mind feels quieter, your breathing deepens, and your awareness expands. Coherence is your natural frequency when nothing inside you is in conflict. Neuroscience shows that coherence strengthens communication between the heart and the brain. The heart's electromagnetic field becomes smoother, and the brain shifts into a balanced alpha state. This harmony allows information to travel more clearly through your nervous system. You feel grounded and mentally sharp at the same time. Coherence also connects you more deeply with the universal field. When your internal vibration becomes stable, it resonates with external frequencies more effectively. This is why insights appear suddenly during moments of calm. Your mind becomes a clearer receiver. You may have experienced this during meditation or in moments of deep presence. The world feels slower, your senses heighten, and your intuition becomes unmistakably strong. This clarity is not accidental. It is the signature of coherence. Coherence changes how the environment responds to you. When your frequency is stable, you influence the space around you without speaking. People feel calmer, situations unfold more smoothly, and opportunities seem to align effortlessly. Your presence becomes a stabilizing force. This is because coherence reduces internal noise. Without noise, your awareness can tune into subtle signals from people, places, and situations. You perceive patterns you would normally overlook. Life becomes easier to navigate. Ultimately, coherence is not something you create through force. It is the state that emerges when you stop resisting your own experience. When your emotions, thoughts, and awareness align, you begin to vibrate with the same harmony that organizes the universe. Coherence reconnects you to the frequency that holds everything together. Your heart is the strongest source of frequency in your body. It produces an electromagnetic field far greater than the brain, extending several feet in every direction. This field communicates your emotional state instantly to the environment. Your heart is a broadcasting system that never turns off. Science shows that your heart rhythm changes based on how you feel. Stress creates jagged, chaotic waves that disrupt the entire system. Peace, gratitude, and clarity create smooth, coherent waves that stabilize your body and mind. Your emotions shape the frequency you send into the world. This heart field interacts directly with the universal field. The more coherent your emotions are, the easier it becomes to tune into subtle signals around you. Intuition becomes sharper because your heart is operating as a clear receiver. Awareness expands when the heart is in harmony. You have felt this many times. You know when someone is safe or not before they speak. You sense the atmosphere in a room instantly without analyzing anything. Your heart reads frequency faster than your rational mind. When your heart and brain work together, your whole body enters a state of coherence. This state amplifies your personal frequency and strengthens your influence on the field around you. You become a stabilizing presence for others without effort. Your energy begins to shape the environment. This is also why emotional alignment is so important. Your thoughts can only reach their full potential when your emotions support them. A clear mind with a chaotic heart creates a conflicting signal. Harmony allows your intentions to move cleanly through the field. The heart field reveals a simple truth. You do not influence reality through thought alone. You influence it through the frequency you radiate emotionally. Your heart is your connection to the frequency that holds the universe together. Every person carries their own frequency, but these signals do not remain isolated. They mix, overlap, and merge with the frequencies of others, forming a shared energetic environment. This collective field influences how groups think, feel, and behave. Your energy is always part of something larger. You have felt this collective field many times. A room can feel tense before anyone speaks, or peaceful the moment you walk in. Your body senses these shifts instantly because it responds to the frequency of the group, not just your own. The collective field often speaks louder than words. Science has observed this through the phenomenon of brainwave synchronization. When people meditate together, focus together, or share an emotional experience, their brain rhythms begin to align. This alignment creates a larger, more powerful frequency than any individual can generate alone. Human minds resonate with each other naturally. Emotions are especially contagious in this field. Joy spreads quickly because it produces smooth, expansive frequencies. Fear spreads quickly because it creates sharp, contracting frequencies. The collective field amplifies whatever people feed into it. This is why your personal coherence matters. A calm and grounded individual can stabilize the energy of an entire group. Your frequency influences others even when you stay silent. You contribute to the collective field with every thought and emotion you carry. Communities, families, and even entire cultures develop unique energetic signatures. These signatures shape how people perceive reality and how they respond to challenges. You are shaped by the field you live in, and at the same time, you shape it. The collective field is a living system built through human resonance. When you understand your influence on this field, your responsibility becomes clear. Every moment of awareness strengthens the entire network. Every moment of coherence brings more order into the world. You are part of the frequency that humanity shares and builds together. The frequency that binds the universe is the same frequency that shapes your inner world. You are not just an observer of this field. You are an active participant in it. Your thoughts, emotions, and awareness constantly influence the environment around you. You have always been connected. You are only now becoming aware of it. When you understand this connection, your relationship with reality changes. Life stops feeling random or disconnected. Patterns appear, intuition becomes reliable, and timing begins to make sense. You start to recognize the field communicating with you. This communication is subtle. It happens through shifts in emotion, sudden clarity, and moments of meaningful coincidence. The universe does not speak in language, it speaks in resonance. Your awareness learns to interpret the signals as you grow quieter inside. Integration is about living in a way that keeps your inner frequency coherent. Clarity in your thoughts, honesty in your emotions, and presence in your awareness create a stable signal. This stability aligns you with the same harmony that organizes stars and atoms. You begin to move with the rhythm of the universe instead of against it. When you live in coherence, you influence the collective field effortlessly. Your calmness stabilizes others, your clarity inspires them, and your presence shifts the energy of the spaces you enter. You become a transmitter of order in a world full of noise. Your frequency becomes medicine for the field. This is where personal transformation becomes universal. Every choice you make, every emotion you regulate, every moment you return to presence sends ripples through the field. You shape the frequency humans share. Your inner work becomes part of the architecture holding reality together. In the end, the truth is simple. You are made from the frequency of the universe, sustained by it, connected to it, and expressing it through your awareness. Living in alignment is not a spiritual idea, it is a physical reality. You are part of the frequency that holds everything together,